What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So today, we want to look at Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, in this situation at EFF, because the thing that was happening in the past was that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was being accused of working with Floyd Shivambu to try and destroy the EFF so that it collapses and everybody goes under MK. But as they always say, the truth always comes out with time. And right now we are seeing it crystal clear that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was innocent all along, and the people that were responsible, it's actually Dalimpofu and Floyd Shivambu, and they have now been exposed. It's total destruction right now at MK Party. Floyd Shivambu has been like removed as the SG, and he's just an ordinary member of parliament. The truth is finally coming out. And Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, I'm certain, you'll be seeing this, all of this. That is an intelligent guy. He also plays his chess very, very well. Just like what the chaos that was being planned, that mass exodus from EFF to MK. He actually saw that and did not like play into it, and decided to play the long game so that the truth can actually come out, in the future. And the truth is now coming out, and Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is watching from a distance. And the good thing is that his membership is still valid at EFF. It's different than that of Floyd Shivambu, that was cancelled and totally not even there. But for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, he can return back to the EFF. So that is the chess move that was played by Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to let Floyd Shivambu collapse by himself, so that after he has collapsed, without tainting his name, he can return back, to EFF. And he is so much loved at EFF. And if he's to return back, he's going to be welcomed, with open arms and so much joy. Yeah, that's how much great, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi played this chess game. I'll catch you guys on the next one.